Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all a low manipulation pinup style. I have absolutely been loving creating styles on my hair that I absolutely have nothing to do to in the morning, but literally just remove my scarf, make sure that the frizzes are laid, and just keep on moving. Right now, I am sectioning my hair off. I'm gonna have a small section on the side and the front, a much larger section on the other side, which is going to create our twist bangs. But before we even get to twisting and styling, we are actually going to moisturize. I'm using a Talia Wajid curly curl cream and some rosemary mint oil by Mael Organics. Today my hair is a little bit more tangly than usual. This comes from like not going ahead and styling my hair sometimes when I tie my hair up, so some of the water has already dried out. I am also in the process of testing different combinations of shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. It has been very hot here recently in North Carolina, so I am experimenting to see which product combinations are going to work best for my wash days this summer. Once you have the whole section moisturized and detangled, you can go ahead and put it up and clip it away and repeat that process all over your head. Once you are done, you are going to remove the entire back section because we will start off back here, okay? No worries and stressors back here. I actually went for medium-sized twists in the back of my hair because, as you all saw in the thumbnail, we are going to be pinning this up. However, I wish I would have done especially these two twists in the back just a little bit smaller. You can do these whatever size you want, but remember, these are not going to be seen as much as the twist in the front. Make sure you coil your ends and take off any excess product, as this will help with dry time. As you all can see, as I go row by row, I am going to add water, and the water is going to reactivate the product that I already put on the hair. When I tell you moisturizing your hair ahead of time really makes the styling process go by super fast and smoothly, all we have to worry about is twisting and not adding product to our hair. So I am going to repeat this process in the back sections of my hair, making sure that every single strand is coated with product, that my hair feels moisturized, and that I can see a little bit of shine on my hair. And here's what that back section is looking like. Not perfect by any means, but it's all twisted up and we have something to pin up in the back, okay? Moving on to the front, where we will be doing our flat twist on this side. On this side, I only did about 4 flat twists, but of course I am adding water first to reactivate that product, and then I am going in with very medium-sized sections and trying to get my parts as straight as possible. One thing that I have noticed about doing flat twists is that when it comes to flat twisting on wet hair, sometimes it can be more difficult to get straighter parts, but I have found using this gel kind of helps make the flat twist look as crisp as possible. I have done a series of flat twist videos or shorts, because they are technically short videos, and I'll make sure that I link one of them in the cards for you all if you are still having a little bit of trouble with getting your flat twist down pat. And that is exactly what I'm going to do, and I'm going to make sure I coil those ends for every single section over here as well. Once you have your flat twist, you can go ahead and clip them out of the way. Now we're going to re-spritz our hair with water on the other side, and we are going to medium mini twist this section up, okay? I promise that this section is going to go by super quick. Again, your hair is fully moisturized and it's a 2-strand twist. This is actually me twisting in real time. It probably took me about 15 minutes to twist this section up, making sure everything looks neat and is uniform, and that all of my ends are coiled around my fingers. After you do about 2 rows, you kind of want to do more of a curved part. This is going to make sure that the hair is laying in the direction that you want it to lay, kind of creating a bang look for this hairstyle. As you all can see, the twists in the front are definitely smaller and they're more uniform. You can do the same size twist in the back of your head and make them more uniform as well. Kind of going for 2 hairstyles where you can wear it hanging down and then you can pin it up on week 2. However, I knew I wanted to start off with this hairstyle being pinned up, and I knew I was going to wash my hair again. Right now, I'm just clipping off those sections in the front so that I can begin the roll twist in the back of my head. As you all can see, as I'm taking a few twists and I'm just rolling it and picking up pieces of twist and continuing to roll my hair, and I'm kind of going into like a sideward slant just to try to make it look like it is intentional and it looks neat and it has like a little bit of pizzazz to it. Once I get to a place where I'm ready to add in the flat twist, I remove that clip and I add those flat twists into that large roll of a twist that I am currently doing. You want to make sure that everything feels tight. I waited to the end of the twist to begin pinning the twist, but if your hair is shorter or you find that your hair is slipping out from under your grip, you can pin your hair as you are rolling. However, I was able to grip my hair tightly and keep it in place until I got to this side of my head. Now I am taking quite a bit of bobby pins and I am pinning it. As you all can see, I am actually concealing my bobby pins so that people actually can't see them, okay? So basically going within the hair strands and not placing them on top, okay? Now you can remove your twist in the front. If you feel like you need to add one more pin, you can do that to make it more uniform. As you all can see, I did have to check out the back of my hair, and here's what it is looking like before I tie my hair up for the night. So for your nighttime routine, take a satin scrunchie and pull your bang twist together. Tie your scarf around to make sure that those flyaways are getting laid down. Remove the scrunchie and put your bonnet on. Simple as that. It is the next day and I'm removing the scarf and I am fluffing out those twists, trying to get them to lay straight down, which they will. You just have to do a little finessing. I am adding one bobby pin just so that things lay flatter, getting some edge control to lay down my edges. I'm going to add a few swoops, and pretty much this is the final hairstyle, you all. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it useful, and of course let me know if you try it out and if it saved you some time in the morning. Can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya.